In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use colors in processing. So far, we have discussed only black and white colors, and here I am going to show you how to use the different colors. The first function we are going to use is size, which we have discussed so many times. Size will increase the size of the canvas, and our canvas is by default 100 by 100 pixels. You can increase according to your programming. So the first 500, this represents the width, and 600 represents the height of the canvas or height of the screen. And then is the background. So far we have discussed that background can take one parameter, which is background 0 means black, or 255 means white background. The numbers between 0 and 255 are grayish shade. But here I have mentioned three parameters, so background can take up to three parameters, 255, and then I have put 0, 0. The first represents red color, the second is for green, and the third one is for blue. These are called the primary colors. So I will show you how these will work. So here I have mentioned 255 and then 0, 0. This 255 with other two parameters represents red. This is not white. I will copy this and I will paste it on our screen. The size of the screen will be 500 by 600, and see now the background is 255. Similarly, if you want to make it green, so you have to change the center number 255, all other 20, and you will see the background is in green. If you want your background blue, so you have to make the third parameter 255, and then you will see your background will be blue. If you want to make a different color, so any number you can write down. Suppose I am going to write down 100 instead of red, and then 200 for blue. So you will see, because these are the primary colors, all other colors depend on these colors, so we will get a purple. If you want to give us some greenish shade, so just 80, you have to pick the numbers between 0 and 255, and then you will see this color, right? If you do not want, from here I am manually writing it, but if you want another scheme, another color, so I will show you. You have to go on the tools. See, there are the tools menu and then color selector, and then this color selector will open. So what color you want as a background? See, just move your cursor here. Suppose if you want to make this color, click here and see, now the red is 216, and then green 26 and 204. So you can write down manually here 216, 216, and then 26, and then 204. So we will see, just close this window and we will run this program, and then you will see our background is this color. Another way, again go to the tools menu, which is on the top right, this one, and go to the color selector. Here whatever color you want. Suppose here we want yellow, right? So you have to click here, then you will click, you will see the yellow color is here, and here you will see another number which starts from the hashtag DBCD. Just copy this, copy, and we will paste it here, right? And when we will run this, so you will see this is your background, right? Okay, move on. If you want to add ellipse, if you want to make ellipse as well on your screen, so what you have to do, just we will copy this ellipse and we will run. Our background is this number which we had selected, this one. Okay, I am going to change this again. If I want it green, so make it green like this, and we will make a ellipse. See, the first The first 200 represents the x and y axis of the ellipse, and the second and third, this is the width, this is the height of the ellipse. If these two are same, it means you will get a circle. If these are different, so see, if I will make it 80, you will get a oval shape like this. But if you want to color, if you want to color this ellipse, so what you have to do, you have to make another function or command which is fill, and again fill takes whatever, suppose here I am going to write down 127. 127 is the gray shade. Just I will run this and you will see the ellipse will be in gray shade. But if you do not want this color, so what you have to do, you have to go to the tools menu which is located on the top of our canvas, and then color selector, and from here what color you want for your ellipse. Okay, I say I want this, so copy this number, copy, and we will paste it here and then run it. So you will see that your ellipse is purple shape and the background is green. So you have learned how to use the colors in processing. Now move on to the next slide. Here I have mentioned that size is same, background, fill, and then ellipse and rectangle. If we want to make two things, rectangle and ellipse, so here I have mentioned the order of the commands or functions matters. So see, first the ellipse, the processing will draw ellipse first and then rectangle. I will show you here. Paste it, and when we will run it, you will see first the ellipse will draw, and on the top of this ellipse there is a rectangle. Rectangle is this 80. If I will make it 60 suppose and run it, it will be on the top of circle. Sometimes it happens you cannot see your previous picture, so you do not worry about it. You have to see the pattern or you have to see the order. Always order matters. First ellipse is there and rectangle is there. So see, if I will copy this, delete from here, and if I will make after the rectangle, so you will see the first the rectangle will draw, and then on the top of the rectangle we will have the ellipse. So it means the order or order of the commands matters. Move on to the next. Here see what I am going to tell you here, that size is 500, background is this, fill, rectangle, and then background. Here I have made a one command which is background 255. It means our background is red, but here I made it blue. So again the order matters. When we will make the ellipse, you will see ellipse will make on the blue background, not on the red background. Copy this and then paste, and when we will run, our ellipse will be on the blue background, not on the red background. So again, here you have learned the order matters. Whatever you will make, suppose you will make here rectangle or you will make triangle, your background will be blue because here you have set blue. If you will erase this, definitely then it will be red, otherwise it is blue. So you have to practice, change the numbers, whatever color schemes you want. Here I have made a very simple assignment for you because you have learned how to make a rectangle, how to make a triangle, how to make a ellipse, how to make lines. So just do this simple programming and you have learned the color scheme as well. If you want, you can make some extra things here, but practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.